This is our Calumet floor plan. It's a gorgeous 3-bedroom, 2 full bath, available for immediate move-in. You're gonna find 9-foot ceilings with crown molding in the living room and dining room. Off the foyer is one of our second bedrooms, second or third. And it has a huge walk-in closet with shelving. I'm totally standing in the closet. Lots of natural sunlight. This bedroom is off the foyer. This apartment also features our Como LVT luxury vinyl tile flooring with carpet in the bedrooms. And then here's our third bedroom. All the bedrooms have overhead ceiling fans. This also has a generous walk-in closet. And off of this bedroom, we have access to the bath. It has a standard sized tub. One nice feature when you come in, you have a foyer coat closet. It's off the direct access garage. Here's where I came in. And then also you can come into the apartment from the garage. So just a huge garage. Lots of nice storage space along that back wall. I just love the open living room and dining room concept with the open bar top from the kitchen. Great for entertaining. This apartment home will accommodate very large furniture as well, lots of usable wall space. And then our kitchen is fully equipped. You'll have space-saving microwave, frost-free refrigerator, ice maker, garbage disposal, and dishwasher. This particular home is an available apartment right now. It features the flat-top cook range. You have ice maker, microwave, tons of cabinetry, pantry built in as part of the cabinetry. And then also it comes with the full-size GE washer and dryer. We also feature valet trash here at Park Place Apartments. It's curbside service Sunday through Thursday night. Awesome amenity that our residents get to take advantage of. And then your main bath, your main suite, really. Gorgeous garden style tub, linen closet, and more space. And I love how you can completely close off this side of the apartment. It has 2 walk-in closets. This is the main suite. And then onto our second closet. This particular apartment home is going to have great southern exposure, nice afternoon sunlight. So that is our Calumet. It's available for immediate move-in. We'd love to have you here as a resident with us.